Good morning, everybody. Noah here. It is bright and early in Pensacola. I have had my first cup of coffee already and figured I'd play a round of chess before I dive into work this morning. Coffee always helps. All right, so let's jump over to the game board in Game Not with you. I'm playing beginner level against the computer, 1200 for them. Let's go ahead. I'm going to stick to my path so far with the London opening and see where this leads us. This guy jumps out fast, aggressive, already taking it, throwing all my ideas out the window. So let's just go ahead and get rid of that one. Even is back up. Start moving my pawns around. Lots of pieces hitting that little white pawn in the center. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and block that pawn that's moving down the board. Watching the queen. I can. She would love to take that knight. Okay, let's get him out of the way. Okay. And since London's pretty much out the window, let's throw my castle over here. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to take that pawn because the queen will take my bishop probably right away because I don't see anything else to stop that. So get them back out of the way there. Their knight. But they really don't have anything yet to take. But if they go here, then they have a play for my castle or my king. So let's get if I move my castle all the way up, I don't see anything that can take him. And that gets him out of the way of this knight when the knight moves here. And then I just have to move my king out of the way. Hmm. Might do that. But tell you what, I can move my queen to here. The next move, cast. Nope, there's 3 moves to castle. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it. Too early in the morning. Okay, but let me go ahead and get my king out of the way. All right, the knight lined up for my queen. Don't want to lose the queen, so go ahead and chase this one. And again, back in the way here. All right, I will move my queen to here. Let's see where that knight goes next. Oh, and now this one can take my queen or my knight. Hmm. It's okay. If I take their knight, they can't move that knight without me taking the queen. Hmm. Where are you going? All right, if I move here, that forces the king to move. Just delays that bishop taking my knight, maybe. Yep, that did me no good at all, I don't think. Hmm. You want to lose that bishop? No, didn't lose the bishop. Can't take the bishop because the knight is just sitting there waiting. Okay, we get our castle over here in play. Hmm. Got both my. Oh, I want to move that piece because now that bishop is lined up to take my castle. Hmm. Moving down one out of danger there. 20 moves in so far. I'm down by 3. He just took my other. Well, he just took a bishop. One of them. Mhm. I. It was odd that that queen. Oh, how did that queen move without me taking my hand off that castle? But anyway, it moved. So, all right, let's see how much damage this can do. Well, and then that queen is set up to take it. Yep, down by 5 still. Hmm. lot of thought going in here. I guess I should talk about it a little bit. So I think I'm going to move my queen over here and see how many of these I can take. Check. Mm. So I don't have anything that can. All right, I can move my knight to here, then that knight takes that knight. And then the knight has a sit. Okay. Yeah. Let me block that queen. Oh, why do I not think far enough ahead? I am back in check still, down by 8. Let me go back up here to F3, get out of harm's way for a little while. Immediately back in check with their queen. Can't take their knight because that pawn guards it. Well, let's I oh well nope, I can't take the queen, is not lined up. Just have to move my king out of harm's way. She is relentless. All right, one space that this one can go to. No pieces in here to save that check and take the queen for me. So we got to move it. Hmm. Still can't take the queen. The pawn's guarding that. Check again. 28 moves into the game. So I can move back down, have one place to go again. No pieces to take that queen and get rid of it. I think this may be the last move. Yep, checkmate. All right, horrible way to start the day. 29 moves into the game before I got forced into checkmate by the queen. I can't go anywhere. Uh, the pawn guards the knight. That pawn guards this space. The queen guards all three of these and everything below me. And I have no pieces that could have taken that queen to get rid of her. All right, so a rough start to the day. So I guess I'm gonna have to keep working today. All right, let me jump over, wrap up this to wrap up the slide with you. So thanks for watching with me today. I appreciate all the likes, subscribes, and shares. YouTube loves those as well. I am starting to see some, I started the channel just recently doing these chess games. And I do have some comments have started to come in. So it's nice to see that people actually watch the games and add their comments for me and helpful comments. I really appreciate the feedback. Haven't learned completely from those comments yet, but I'm picking them up bit by bit and trying to apply them to my games as I go forward. Got my blog website up, the Royal Registry Chess Society.blogspot.com. Join us over there. There's a follow button on that blog site as well. And I've been using GameNot.com to play these games. It's worked out really well for me so far. I've enjoyed the console and the interface. Even though I'm losing a lot of games against this computer, I'm, appreciating the opportunity to play these games and learn from the process. All right, everybody. it's time to go to work. So you all have a great day, and I hope to talk to you again soon. See y'all.